If you're looking to supercharge your core strength, improve your stability, or just spice up your workouts, balance boards might be the game changer you've been missing. In this video, we're diving into 15 of the best balance boards available on Amazon. Each product link is in the description. These tools aren't just for athletes or surfers, they're for anyone looking to stay fit, challenge their balance, and build a stronger body from the ground up. Stick around to find the perfect board for your fitness goals, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Let's jump in. 1. Yes for All Balance Board Sports Trainer. The Yes for All Balance Board is a crowd favorite for good reason. Built with high-quality wood and a non-slip surface, it's great for anyone from skaters to office workers. It helps train your core, legs, and posture all at once. Its versatility makes it perfect for both casual balance training and serious board sport conditioning. Whether you're looking to train at home or bring it into your office setup, this board delivers durability and challenge. What makes the Yes for All Balance board even more appealing is its adjustable difficulty, thanks to the detachable roller that allows you to increase or decrease the intensity as your skills improve. It's compact enough to store easily, yet rugged enough to withstand daily use, making it an excellent addition to any fitness routine. Plus, the natural wooden finish gives it a sleek, minimal look that blends well with both home gym and workspace environments. 2. Amazon Basics Wood Wobble Balance Trainer Board. This board by Amazon Basics offers a straightforward, yet highly effective way to engage your stabilizer muscles. With its smooth rotation and durable wood platform, it's ideal for people who want to ease into balance training. The anti-slip surface ensures safe usage, and its compact size makes it easy to store and carry around. If you're new to balance boards, this one provides a gentle but effective introduction. Despite its simple design, the Amazon Basics Wobble Board can be a powerful tool for improving coordination, ankle strength, and overall stability. It's especially useful for injury prevention and rehabilitation exercises, making it a favorite among physical therapists and personal trainers. Whether you're standing at your desk or incorporating it into a fitness routine, this board supports daily movement in a low-impact, accessible way, helping build a strong foundation for more advanced balance work. 3. Nalanda Wobble Balance Board. The Nalanda Wobble Board stands out thanks to its 360-degree rotation and full-range tilting capabilities. It's designed for multi-directional balance training, making it great for rehabilitation, physical therapy, or simply improving core strength. Its lightweight build and stable base mean it works well on different types of flooring, and its wide surface accommodates all foot sizes for maximum comfort and control. The non-slip surface and anti-skid bottom enhance safety, making it suitable for barefoot or sneaker use during workouts or recovery sessions. Whether you're incorporating it into yoga, strength training, or desk-based standing routines, it provides a fun, low-impact way to activate key muscle groups and boost proprioception with every use. 4. Strong Tech Professional Wooden Balance Board. This board is crafted for professionals who want results. The Strong Tech board has an anti-slip surface and a heavy-duty wooden construction that can handle more intense training. It's especially useful for improving balance during strength exercises like squats or for active standing during long hours at a desk. Its sleek, low-profile design also makes it a stylish addition to your workout space. 5. Urbanfit Balance Board Trainer. The Urbanfit Balance Board is ideal for users looking to take their balance training to the next level. With a wide deck and roller setup, it offers a challenging experience that builds coordination, strength, and control. It also comes with a workout guide to help you get started. Whether you're into surfing, snowboarding, or just want to improve posture and reflexes, this board offers dynamic movement and solid results. 6. RevBalance Balance Board. If you want a board that combines sport, fun, and high performance, the RevBalance is a top-tier choice. It features a Durasoft grip, removable stops, and an advanced roller that allows for more control. This board is designed for athletes training for board sports, but anyone can use it to build stronger legs and a rock-solid core. Its sleek look and heavy-duty feel make it a premium option for serious users. 7. Fitlea Fitness Balance Board Trainer. Fitlea's balance board offers stability and versatility. It's perfect for full-body workouts, core development, and functional training. The textured surface helps with grip while the compact base offers just enough tilt to activate muscles without overwhelming beginners. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or working remotely, this board fits right into your routine with minimal space needed. 8. Sportneer Balance Board with Adjustable Stoppers. This board is all about customization. With 7 modes and adjustable stoppers, the Sportneer Balance Board lets you control the intensity of your balance training. It's great for families, fitness beginners, and even kids. You can gradually increase the challenge as your balance improves. Plus, it's built from sturdy materials to ensure long-term use. 9. Fluidstance Plain Standing Desk Balance Board. Fluidstance took balance training into the office with this stylish standing desk board. It's not for extreme workouts, but it's perfect for improving posture, circulation, and core strength while you work. Designed to keep you subtly moving while standing, it helps counteract the stiffness of sitting all day. Its sleek, eco-friendly design makes it a great fit for modern workspaces. 10. XCMA and Surf Balance Board Trainer with Roller. The XCMA and Surf Balance Board is a solid choice for board sport lovers. With its natural wood deck and high-quality roller, it mimics surfing, skateboarding, and snowboarding motions perfectly. It's excellent for cross-training, balance drills, and developing reflexes. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this board brings the thrill of board sports into your training. 11. Blue Planet Balance Surfer Bamboo Board. Made from bamboo, this board not only looks amazing but performs well too. It's eco-conscious and designed for progressive balance training. With multiple difficulty levels and a wide surface, it suits both beginners and experts. The Blue Planet Balance Surfer also works well with yoga or stretching routines to enhance flexibility and control. 12. Bosu Pro Multifunctional Balance Strength Trainer Ball. The Bosu Pro is more than just a balance board. It's a full-body training tool. With its half-ball design, you can do push-ups, planks, squats, and cardio workouts that challenge every part of your body. It's widely used in gyms and physical therapy centers for good reason. This tool builds not only balance but also power, flexibility, and endurance. 13. Kinderfeet's Kinderboard Wooden Balance Board. Though originally designed for kids, the Kinderboard is strong enough for teens and adults too. It's simple, smooth, and quiet, making it ideal for balance play, physical therapy, or light movement sessions. The curved design allows rocking, tilting, and even stretching exercises. It's a great tool for building awareness and body control at any age. 14. Vivitory Balance Board Trainer with Handle. With its built-in handle and adjustable stoppers, the Vivitory board is portable and versatile. It's suitable for users of all skill levels and features a roller system for dynamic workouts. Whether you're building strength or coordination, it provides consistent resistance and can be fine-tuned to suit your pace. Great for both gym-goers and home users alike. 15. GoBalance Board App-Enabled Smart Trainer. This board is the future of balance training. With built-in Bluetooth sensors and a smart companion app, the GoBalance board tracks your progress in real time. It's ideal for data-driven users who want detailed metrics on posture, time, and improvement. The interactive training programs make it fun and engaging while still being serious about results. There you have it, 15 of the best balance boards available on Amazon to help you take your fitness, posture, and coordination to the next level. Whether you're working from home, recovering from an injury, or training for your next surf trip, there's something on this list to match your goals and lifestyle. You'll find direct links to all the featured boards in the description below, so feel free to explore and pick the one that suits you best. If this video helped you out, we'd really appreciate it if you liked, shared, and subscribed to the channel. It helps us keep creating helpful breakdowns like this one. Also, we want to hear from you. What type of wellness or fitness gear should we review next? Drop your ideas and suggestions in the comments section. We're always listening and love building content around what you want to see. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay balanced, stay strong.